This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 38 feet 4 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features 2 bedrooms. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.